How to draw spooky bats. Adding bats to anything improves its late in the year atmosphere. There are many ways of drawing spooky bats, but this is a good quick one to start with. Do everything on scrap paper first. The shallow curves of an M are frequently used to suggest flying birds, and we recognise it because it's like an agreed shortcut that our brain has approved since childhood. Start with some of them flying at different angles. Then practice on scrap paper another fatter M, but with a long tail this time, and on the diagonal. And draw the mirror image on the other diagonal. Add the fatter M with the long tail to a bird on one side and on the other side as well, with the tails meeting at a point. Add a head, which is a circle with a couple of sticky up bits, to the bat's body in the V part. Fill in with black ink or whatever colour or medium you're using, and you have fast flying, get stuck in your hair spooky bats for all your creations. You could add eyes with white pen or paint, or stick on googly eyes depending on the effect you want. I tend to leave my bats eyeless and mysterious. Add your bats to your creations at different angles to each other and in different sizes and in odd rather than even numbers to make them more natural looking. Have lots of spooky fun.